Crabtree Valley. So this is the elevator at Crabtree Valley Mall. Crabtree and Valley. I got filmed the one part. Elevator. Elevator at
Elevators at Belk.
no, there's the elevator. There's Belk, which will go.
Remember, we don't
But
have
we're
to
at
go
the
elevator.
Center Court elevator in Crabtree Valley Mall, and we got Dover. Another Dover, similar to the last one. It's got this cool. It has this cool little. I know. Here it is. Unfortunately, both of the lanterns still broke. What the? For some reason, I thought that. The fan! This is an old Dover from 1985. Man, that fan! That's one horrible fan. It did not have a fan when I last visited this. It's pretty noisy. And I thought those were innovation. I thought those were innovation rails. Again, it's a center court. And I'll have to watch it go. Okay, oh, there it goes. Gotta wait.
Hi, ladies.
We'll take the next one.
And Leon. Hello, Leon.
Elevator. No, my trolley. Yeah, we're at a Belk in Crabtree Valley Mall. This is the Godwin elevator, which I've never seen before. Yeah.
Pretty fancy.
Yeah, it's really fancy. This one's a Godwin, and it serves 3 floors. It was from 1983, but then it got modded on 2013. It was originally a southern rails, which looked like Westinghouse. I think we should go down.
You can't just jump around like that.
And let's head to 2. I know, but down to 2. Yeah, 2. Fortunately, you can't hear the motor because of that fan. What? Oh, okay, there it goes. That's it.
Just go up and find another elevator to take it.
This is the area at Crabtree Valley Mall. This one's a forgotten Montgomery elevator from. Actually, no, it's not a Montgomery. It's a Montgomery Coast. Except it's not really a Montgomery, since it was installed in 95. It's supposed to be a Montgomery kone. It's at Macy's. that's it.
This is the gold deck.
It's the Gold Deck elevator at Crabtree Valley Mall parking garage. This one was originally a Dover, but then got modernized by Metro Elevator. Here it is. This is a nice cab. A little dirty though. Let's go to one. Oh, I almost hit the stop button. We're gonna end at 3 or go all the way up and then end at 3.
Is it 3 or 2? What
It was at 3.
Okay, yeah. We can do that.
We can do it all the way up and then 3.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh. Going up? Oh, what? What floor?
What floor are you going to?
We're heading to 4.
You want to? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is it 2? Yep.
Yeah, it is 2.
Thank you. Thank you.
Look at that. They have red for up and white for down. That's pretty interesting.
Oh, that's interesting.
If you know what I'm curious about? This indicator. This indicator actually has a Schindler logic. Oh wow, close fast. When I press 3, close fast.
Really?
Installed in 1994. Look at that.
I don't think we are going to 3. That doesn't sound right.
Well, we were at 3.
Really?
Yeah, actually. Alright. There it goes. That's it.